How to change the background music in Idle Heroes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you're trying to make your Idle Heroes experience more personalized and fun, then you can easily change the background music in the game. First of all, launch open Idle Heroes game on a device and wait for the home screen to load. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and click on the horizontal menu button at the bottom right and click Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on Sound on the left. Under Sound, scroll down and look for the Music option. From the Music tab, select the background music you want to change to. To listen to the music, select it, and if you like the music, tap on it. Once you do, get back to the home screen and your background music will be changed immediately. So that's how you easily change your in-game background music in Idle Heroes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.